Question number 1. How many articles are there in the Constitution of 1973? Answer: 280 articles. Question number 2. In the Constitution of 1973, who were declared non-Muslim? Answer: Qadianis. Question number 3. When did Fatima Jinnah joined All India Muslim League? Answer: in 1939. Question number 4. Pakistan's national flag was prepared by? Answer: Amir-ud-Din Kadwi. Question number 5. Pakistan's standard time was suggested by? Answer: Professor Muhammad Anwar. Question number 6. Pakistan's first coin was issued on? Answer: 3 January 1948. Question number 6. Where the biggest salt mine located in Pakistan? Answer: Jhelum. Question number 8. The longest river in Pakistan is? Answer: River Sindh. Question number 9. Which is the national flower of Pakistan? Answer: Jasmine. Question number 10. Which is the national bird of Pakistan? Answer: Chakor. Question number 11. Who started the Farezi movement? Answer: Haji Shariatullah. Question number 12. The Kashf-ul-Maub Shah written by? Answer: Hazrat Dhata Ganj. Question number 13. Who reviewed the famous book The Indian Mussalman in 1872? Answer: Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question number 14. Indian Council Act 1858 was passed on? Answer: 2 August 1858. Question number 15. The book Khubat-e-Ahmadiyya is written by? Answer: Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Question number 16. Indian Independence Act was enforced on? Answer: 14 August 1947. Question number 16. Indian Independence Act was enforced on? Answer: 14 August 1947. Question number 18. In which year British East India Company occupied Punjab? Answer: in 1849. Question number 19. At the time of independence, which community was in majority in the state of Kashmir? Answer: Muslim. Question number 20. Which state was attacked by India on the 11th of September 1948? Answer: State of Hyderabad, Deccan. Question number 21. In which year the Kashmiris started their freedom movement against Dogra rule before the partition of the subcontinent? Answer: in 1930. Question number 22. In which of the following cities Indian National Congress was found? Answer: Bombay. Question number 23. In which of the following cities All India Muslim League was found? Answer: Dhaka. Question number 24. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition of Bengal? Answer: Lord Curzon. Question number 25. Who was the first president of the All India Muslim League? Answer: Sir Aga Khan. Question number 26. In which year Ali Trusteeship Bill was passed? Answer: in 1889. Question number 27. In which year Syed Jamal-ud-Din Afghani was died? Answer: in 1897. Question number 28. What was the real name of Titu Mir? Answer: Nisar Ali.
Question number 29. Which pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan? Answer: Khyber Pass.
Question number 30. The highest peak of Salt Range is? Answer: Skazer.